Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'm going to be showing you two ways so that you can scan documents to PDF on your Samsung Galaxy A26 5G. Let's go. Welcome back to the video. My name's Sergio, and in this channel, I make life-saving tech videos. So if you're new here, feel free to subscribe and hit the bell while you're down there. All right, let's jump right into it. So I'm going to be showing you two ways so that you can scan documents to PDF. The first way is the standard way, which most people probably use, and it's with the camera app. So once you have the camera app open, you can hover above the image that you want to scan and just take a picture of it. Okay, you can crop it and also remove shadows and adjust the brightness so that you can make it look more like a scan. And then once you're done, you can save it, okay? And it will save to your pictures. Now, this is useful, you know, and maybe if you want to scan one picture, if you want to scan one page document, it could come in handy, but that is not the method I use. The method I've been using for over 15 years is this free app right here, which is called Cam Scanner, okay? And I use this on a daily basis, especially to scan multiple page documents to PDF. Okay, so download the app. Once you download it, I'm going to show you here how to get it set up. It's super easy. So hit OK. Here, it's going to try and upsell you, okay, to start a trial. All you got to do is hit the X up here because the app is free. So hit the X. And there you go. You can now start using the app. All you got to do is hit the green icon, the green camera icon, and then you can start scanning documents. Okay, you have to allow the camera. And then here, it's going to allow you to scan a single page document or a batch of pages. So let's go ahead and select a batch of pages. Okay, and let's go ahead and start scanning. So as you can see, when you place your camera above the document, all you got to do is hit the white button here to scan the document. Okay, it's going to automatically adjust it. So make sure that auto crop is selected. Okay, hit continue. Okay. Now we can go ahead and flip the page. Let's scan the second page. And let's go ahead and scan the third page. Okay, so remember, you could do this for as many pages that you need to scan. It doesn't really matter. But let's just, for the purposes of this video, say that we're done scanning. So go ahead and select the scan down here. Okay, here it allows you to turn the picture if it's scanned it sideways. So you can go ahead and spin it around. Once it looks good, go on to the next one. Looks good, looks good. So once you check them on, they all look good. Just hit the green check mark right here. And there is your scanned document. Okay, so now the good thing about this is that you can easily just share it as PDF, as Word. You can email it to yourself, send to your PC, send a link. So there's many ways to share it. I usually just like to quickly share it as a PDF and I email it to myself. Okay, you type in your email here and go ahead and send it. Go ahead and open up your email. And as you can see, here we have the email with the PDF. Go ahead and select it. And as you can see, here we have the pages that we just scanned as a multiple page PDF document. Okay, so yeah, this is my favorite way to scan documents to PDF on your Samsung Galaxy A26 5G. So go ahead and destroy that like button if this video helped you out, and comment down below and let me know. So that's all for this video. I'll catch you in the next one. As always, peace.